The power of a grand entry. One of the most hyped things in this whole world, making a debut. People really want to make a good, or I should say a fucking awesome debut. One that gets remembered by people, where they look at you and go, damn, this guy's cool. I've been trying the same thing, but never really able to accomplish it. But some of my classmates say this to me, that I'm awesome. The way I walk into the class, the way I do things, it's amazing. And honestly, it makes sense. It's because of all the practice I've done. So I know you're fascinated by this topic too. You also want to make an amazing entry wherever you go because you want to look cool. But it's not that easy. You've got to work on yourself for that. You have to exercise every day to stay fit. You got to read a bit so you look knowledgeable, and you got to earn so you have something to show, right? Like a nice watch or some amazing shoes. But honestly, those are just outer shits. What really matters is your aura, how much control you have over it. Because the moment you drop your aura in the room, everyone will notice. They won't even know why they looked, but they'll feel it. Whether you're just normal or someone special, it's the aura. People usually don't get this aura stuff, but trust me, the moment someone enters, you feel it. It's just how it is. So go search a bit more about it. Understand it, build it, and boom, you're famous. You'll make a good entry wherever you go.